Making oatmeal cookies is a delightful and straightforward process. Ingredients: 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup packed brown sugar. ½ cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. ½ teaspoon salt. 3 cups old-fashioned Quaker oats. 1 cup raisins, chocolate chips, or chopped nuts, optional. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line baking sheets with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Fold in the Quaker oats and your choice of raisins, chocolate chips, or nuts. Mix until evenly distributed. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared baking sheets, leaving some space between each cookie. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. The centers may still look slightly undercooked but will firm up as they cool. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade oatmeal cookies. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding your favorite mix-ins, such as cinnamon, dried fruit, or different types of nuts. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.